Everyone, so for 117.25, I honestly took only one trade. So far, only one stock actually followed my game plan for a potential trade today, and that is actually AMD. How I typically look for trades is I like to look for the longer term schematic of what exactly is happening to a stock and its long-term sentiment. On the daily chart, we can actually see we have some huge consolidation of buying occurring from exactly November 8th of 2023, more buying action on December 5th of 2023. You could see huge consolidations of an imbalance of buyers at this specific range. So going into it in these past couple days, you can see AMD has actually made a significant jump to actually hold and retain this 113.03 demand all the way up into 115.73. So my expectation was that we're going to have a nice little continuation of this demand bounce, similar to what happened on November and similar to what happened on December the 6th. So what exactly happened? How did I get into this trade? So what I first did is I like to mark the previous day high. Previous day high for AMD was on Thursday, 121.08. I want to see a good confirmation that within the first 5 minutes of the market open, do we have a continuation of momentum where buyers are swinging the direction of bullish continuation, just like we saw on that demand. Next candle, we do see a significant push. The issue was if I were to, take this trade better, I would have actually entered in completely once that 5-minute candle printed and confirmed that it was over the previous day high of 121.09, in this case 121.14. I did enter into the trade a little bit later. I entered into AMD 122 calls 124, filled at 213 a contract, entered in exactly at 121.57 with the expectation for AMD to at least test closer into the 122.50 range. What ended up happening is we had a nice little topping tail at that 122.79 spot, 74 spot. Buyers did actually push through, but the issue was because my entrance was a little bit later, I still made a profit on this trade. As soon as I saw the flat rejection where we couldn't break above that 122.20 spot, I decided to close the rest of the position. You can see over here, I held the position all the way through, have trimmed my contracts all the way at the 122.27 spot. And then once I saw that tailed out rejection, I decided to close this out because I didn't want to take a loss on the remainder of my contracts. Close rest at 215.